The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University present this tutorial on how to create a workshop in Moodle. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up, configuring, and running a workshop activity in your Moodle course. First, navigate to your Moodle course and enable editing mode. Next, select the desired section or week for the workshop activity. Then, click the Add an Activity or Resource button and choose Workshop from the list. After that, provide a descriptive name and optional description for the workshop activity. Next, in the Grading Settings section, determine the points for individual submissions and peer assessments. In the Submission Settings section, clearly specify submission instructions for students. After that, in the Assessment Settings section, establish guidelines and rubrics for peer assessments. Optionally, in the Feedback section you can allow text comments during peer reviews. Additionally, in Example Submissions section, you can provide practice examples for students' reference. Finally, in the Availability section, set submission and assessment start dates and deadlines. Once you've completed the configuration, click the Save and Display button to activate the workshop activity. Next, explore the workshop phases in the Workshop section. This is where you monitor the progress of your workshop. Moreover, in phases, make sure to complete the setup phase. This is where you lay the groundwork for your workshop. When you're ready for your students to begin the activity, manually switch to the submission phase. To allow students to start assessing their peers, switch to the assessment phase. Under Submissions Allocation, you can choose manual, random, or scheduled allocation methods from the drop-down menu. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.